I started getting alerts on my phone when I was in the car about the Oakland fire.
The Keller fire burned land next door to Brady Tim's home in Oakland Friday. Those alerts told people to evacuate immediately with the system working as intended.
I think it is vital to have that kind of a service because it lets you know, like I said, I was not home. So it alerted me to the fact that there was, imminent danger in my neighborhood. So I think it's a great tool to have.
Oakland's emergency services manager pushed the button to send out the alerts Friday.
For the push alerts, everybody gets them unless they intentionally on their phones opt out of getting government notifications.
She suggests also opting in to get prevention messages and updates, as well as adding relatives' addresses and workplaces. Residents should know their zone, and it's available to most Bay Area residents by simply logging on to protect.genesis.com. That's protect.genesis.com. You simply go on that site, you put in your address, and then you memorize your zone. I did it today. It was easy.
We think it's incredibly important for residents to know their zone before something happens.
Understand what the area that you live in, so knowing your zone so that you know if the evacuation orders are applicable to you or your family. It's an effort to kind of clear the language barrier and integrate with different applications that people use on their mobile devices.
So part of preparedness is a go bag and creating defensible space. And the other part is checking your zone and updating your settings. In the East Bay, I'm Leslie Brinkley, ABC 7 News.